Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to set up a Google Classroom account as a teacher on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser on your computer and go to Google Classroom. Now click on the Sign In button and log in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you need to create one first. But my laptop is already signed. Once you are signed in, click on the plus icon in the top right corner and select Create Class. Select the box and click Continue. A new window will appear. Enter your class name and optionally add a section, subject, and room. Then click Create. Your Google Classroom is now created. You can now customize it by adding a class description, profile picture, and banner. Next, to add students, click on the People tab and then click on the Invite Students icon. Enter the student's name or email addresses and click Invite. Finally, you can start posting assignments, announcements, and materials for your students in the Stream or Classwork tabs. That's it. You have successfully set up Google Classroom as a teacher and can now manage your class online.